Hello and welcome to Doherty Library Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about using the UST OneSearch bar to search for books, scholarly articles, and more, all at the same time. To get started, visit the library's website from UST's homepage, it's on that red bar at the top, or from library.sttom.edu like you see on my screen, or from the Assist tab in Blackboard. Let's start searching. So from the library's homepage, we're going to scroll to the middle of the page under Find Articles, Books, and More. And on the left-hand side here, you see UST Libraries OneSearch. The UST OneSearch is an all-in-one platform with access to books, peer-reviewed journal articles, films, and more. Let's begin our research with a topic on Dracula. So I'm going to type in Dracula and hit search. So after hitting enter, you'll notice that we are going to generate, let's see, over 1,700 results. That is a lot of results to go through. To narrow down our research, we're going to use the filters on the left-hand side to get a more manageable number of results. For example, one thing I really like to do is under Search Results Display, hit this Hide Duplicates button. This will show only one copy of an article or one copy of a book, so we don't see the same thing over and over again. And if you notice, now we have 1,200 results. From there, we can filter by format. So if we want an article, we could check article. If we want a book, we can do ebook, print book. We can even look at music recordings, scores, or computer files. One other thing I want to point out when you're using the UST OneSearch is you can filter by full text, subject, or if you notice, peer-reviewed here. I also like this publication year because if you need something from the last 10, 25 years, a custom range, you can apply that here. We can also select which databases we look at, language, etc. So let's say I'm searching my results and I would like to look at this book, The Cambridge Companion to Dracula. It has a cite feature right here, so we could even pick our citation style and get our cite, or if you notice, UST has access to RefWorks. If you want more information on that, contact a librarian, but you can import your citation directly to RefWorks. You can also share this link with a friend, email it, all that good stuff, or you can save it for later. So that is using the UST OneSearch. In this tutorial, you have learned how to search for library resources using UST OneSearch. If you have any questions, you can stop by the reference desk, email, or chat with your librarian at askus.sttom.edu. Thank you and happy researching.